BoxyCharm unboxing. I just got this in. December's a crazy month, obviously, for all mail services, and so this definitely came later in the month, but I'm so excited it's here. And the theme this month, bubbles and glitz. That's so cute. You guys, if you're not signed up for BoxyCharm, you should hop on it. I was a skeptic, 100%. I fought it for months. I was like, I don't need BoxyCharm. I don't want to pay something for something and get all these products that I have zero interest in and don't want. And I'll tell you what, there are very few products I'm disappointed with, and the just amount of products and the prices that they are regularly, like at Sephora or Ulta, is insane. So just keep that in mind. I do have a link down below that you can sign up for. Let's just get into it. As you can see, I'm completely barefaced because I need to put on a primer. And in this BoxyCharm, it came with the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. So it's supposed to brighten, nourish, and hydrate. Okay, so I guess it's just a moisturizer, but you can also use it as a primer, or you can use it after your makeup for like a dewy glow. The packaging kind of looks like this. It's more of like plastic packaging. This actually retails for $49. Wow, holy cow. That's a lot of money. I don't even have a primer in my collection that's $49. Well, I do now. Found it. Okay, you guys all know who Patrick Ta is. So I've been watching his YouTube channel. So much good information. I mean, he's a makeup artist, so he applies all primers and all that with a brush. And I like it. It's really good. I went in before with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer just because I'm really trying to hydrate and plump my skin. I do feel like it's burning just a hair. Is that weird? Not burning, but I can feel it a little bit. Right now I'm going in with this Pharmacy Cheer Up Eye Cream. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm too. And shockingly enough, guess where it's available now? Sephora for like $49. Maybe it's not that expensive, $40. So pretty awesome. All right, the rest of the products are not foundation and everything like that. So I'm gonna hop off camera really quick and do my foundation and concealer, and I will actually, no, wait. I actually want to do the eye look because we know we're gonna have a lot of fallout, and I was so excited to get this. This is the Caliente palette by Couture, and it has just beautiful bright shades, very wearable everyday shades. I'm just kidding. No, but I was so excited to get this because I've always wanted to try a product from Couture. What's his name? Something Angel, but he just came out with a collab with Static John, Katie's husband. You guys know where I'm going. So I've always wanted to try his products, but I just never have. And so getting this in the BoxyCharm was huge. This retails for $30. If you go on his site right now, that's how much it is. But I'm super excited. It didn't come with a box. It just came like this, which I actually thought was kind of cool because let's just be honest, the boxes get thrown away. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this Thank Me Later eye primer base, which I actually got from BoxyCharm as well. And I'm going to prime my lids. I totally forgot. We have a new set of Luxie Iconic brushes, eye brushes. These are actually so cute. Look at that color. I love like this light corally pink. I don't have anything like this in my brush collection. And let's just read about it. So this is, it's $45 MSRP, and it's the first step to achieving of the perfect smoky eye, cut crease, or bold cat eye. So I love a good set of brushes. I feel like if you do your makeup often, you can't ever have enough just because you're not washing them all the time, and it's just good to have things on hand. So I'm super excited to use that. Do I think this little set is worth $45? Would I pay that on my own? No, 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 I would not, no. But I like having these, and these are synthetic hair, which means they're going to work a lot better with cream products. I have a lot of goat hair brushes, which usually, you know, blends out product a little bit better, but I'm super excited to try these out. Ooh. I set down the eyeshadow primer with just a nice loose setting powder. Now let's go in with the actual palette. Let's zoom you in though. I feel like, I think I'm gonna go in with a Roomba, which is this beautiful brown. I think that's going to be the perfect in our crease. I'm gonna go in with this Luxie 231 brush. Okay, that's what this color pulls. It looks brown, right? But it's red. I was a little worried I was going to have to go in with another transition shade, but these actually are blending out beautifully, especially with a synthetic brush. I actually think it would be a little bit better with a goat hair brush, but this synthetic brush is actually making things really precise and kind of smoking out. What I did is I'm just kind of like bringing that up to kind of lift my eye, hopefully. That's the goal, right? And so it is a very vibrant, very deep color. I mean, it kind of reminds me of Hot Cheetos, this whole palette does, but it's beautiful and it's something that I usually don't gravitate towards, so it's kind of fun to go out of my comfort zone. Okay, so the next color I really want to go in with is, I'm thinking one of these shimmers. So either Sensual or Mamacita, and I'm thinking, let's still go in with Sensual and put that as like a little transition from this color. And I'm actually going to go in with, ooh, should I go in with the same brush? Let's go in with the same brush. Let's see what that looks like. And let's go ahead and take Mamacita and put this on the lid. These shimmers aren't super creamy, so it makes me wonder if this isn't, if I'm not supposed to be using them with my finger. I'm going to take this little brush from Luxie, which is the 209 large shader. I'm just going to take that, try to pack on some of that shimmer, add some dimension. That's where we're at. I don't know, guys, I usually don't go this bold with an eye look, so, and it's 6:30 in the morning and this is what my eye look is going to look like all day. I wanted to take a pink and put that in my inner corner. Let's just go all in, and that's called Fuego. This is where we're at. I'm taking a makeup wipe and cleaning up a lot of the fallout, which there actually wasn't a lot. And then we'll just have to come back to the eyes in a little bit and finish them off. I am going to hop off camera and do my base, my foundation, and concealer. All right, let's back you up. This is my base. What I went in and used was my Dream Urban Cover. Okay, so I went in with this Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Broad Spectrum SPF Foundation in the shade Soft Tan. This is one of my favorites all summer long. All summer long, love it. And then with my concealer, I did try something completely different. It came in the mail yesterday. I use these things and then they just disappear. Literally, they disappear. Where did it go? Here it is. It's the Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 210. It blended out so beautifully, and it looks super lightweight underneath my skin, or not underneath my skin, on top of my skin. And then I went in with a cream bronzer in the Fenty cream bronzer, Cheeks Out in 5 Teddy. And then I try to think what else I did. Oh, the Creams Out blush in Fenty Beauty as well, Rosé Latte. I just wanted to do something super moisturizing. I mean, I feel like my skin looks really hydrated, but a really cool thing that I learned from Patrick Ta's channel is to go in, even if you set a powder, you can go in with a cream product and it creates that dimensional look. It brings your skin back to life. So that was really cool because I had always learned, okay, once you sit down with a powder, don't go in with a cream. That is not true. You can totally go in with a cream. Product that we got is this Ofra Cosmetics Pressed Banana Powder, which I love banana powder, okay? I have been using one from Essence, which, you know, is a super affordable drugstore brand for the whole year. I mean, this is like $4 or $5, but to get this in the mail, ooh, I was super excited. The packaging in this is really high quality. It's really sturdy, and when you open it up, bam, look at that pan size. It's super yellow, I feel like, compared to this one. But I'm excited to try it out. This retails for $35. Holy cow. So that is such a good deal if it works out. I like to go in with more of like a little fine pointed brush that fits right beneath my eyes. And so this one looks like a good one. This is the Morphe M438. I'm just gonna take some of that on my brush and see what it looks like on my skin. Okay, it's not too yellow. I'm just going to lightly brighten up. I love banana powder. It's great after you've gone in with your makeup to perform cleanup work, if you want to bring forward any areas. There is some fallout with this, but nothing too crazy. And that's the banana powder. Now, the last product is a lip product, so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back to show you the final look. All right, this is how far I've taken the look so far. Really quickly, what I used my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. To set everything, I used my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. I tried out a new mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High New York mascara, which it really does make my lashes a little bit longer. It does clump up in some areas, but just first impressions. And then for the rest of my face, I went in with my Fenty bronzer, just my normal one in the shade Island Ting. And then I went back over everything with a cream blush as well, just to bring it back to life. And then I used a new product that I just got yesterday, which is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter. And I love these. Oh, whoa. Let me bring it back here. I love these because you have two of them. So this one's a little more chunky, this one was smoother, so I use this one, which is the Girl Next Door. I'm trying to think, what else? Which brings us to our last product that came in the BoxyCharm, which is this MAC lipstick. And it is in, hold on. This goes for $19. It's a creamy rich formula and has really high payoff in a no shine matte finish. So they sent me a beautiful pink. This is called Candy Yum Yum, which is totally not something I wear on a regular basis at all. So we will see. I'm wondering if I need to line my lips though before I put this in. I obviously don't have a color that is similar to this, but I wonder if I create some kind of like ombre effect. I have this MAC lip liner in the shade Soar.
It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe.
So pretty. But I can't help but think when MAC was like, okay, we're gonna collab with BoxyCharm. What do we have in stock that doesn't sell? Which would be this color, right? And just because nobody, I don't know, maybe a lot of people do wear this color. I don't know. Okay. And this is the final look. Definitely a bolder month, but I imagine that's just how it goes with bubbles and glitz because the new year is upon us. And so maybe we're gonna do our makeup really awesome and crazy for New Year. But yeah, I'm always really happy lately with what's in the BoxyCharm. So if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. It really means a lot and it really helps me out with the algorithm. You know, I'm trying to grow here. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.